Zapata Flyride is an innovative watercraft designed to make the thrill of hydroflight accessible to everyone. Combining the exhilaration of flying with the stability and ease of use, the Flyride uses advanced gyroscopic technology to keep the rider balanced, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned water sports enthusiasts alike. With its intuitive controls and robust safety features, users can perform amazing aerial maneuvers or enjoy a smooth ride above the water. The Flyride is powered by a personal watercraft, channeling its thrust through a hose to lift and propel the rider. Ideal for both fun and training, the Zapata Flyride transforms any body of water into an exciting playground, offering a unique and unforgettable experience.